Dear brothers and sisters, observe a mason building a wall. He does not rush. He picks up a stone, brushes it off the dirt, then takes it in his hand and lines it up this way and that way, trying to place it just right. He pays attention just to what he is doing at the moment. That is how we too have to live our pilgrim life here on earth. Our past need not control our present as it did that of the Pharisees. Jesus lamented that they could not get rid of the past from their minds when he said, "You build the tombs of the prophets and adorn the monuments of the righteous." Matthew 23:29. We waste tremendous amount of energies living in our past mistakes, regrets, and painful experience, which are not happening now. Our God is living God. He is of the present. What does He want from us from the present? Nor must we allow the future to control the present. Preoccupation with the second coming of Christ led some early Christians to fail in their duties for their present. Many of them became too lazy to work for their livelihood. And so St. Paul reminds us in the first reading, he had to remind them, if anyone will not work, let him not eat. 2 Thessalonians 3:10. Excessive thinking of the future leads to a general social innovation in the present. A man, feigned sickness, was in the hospital 15 days or 1 month, whereas his wife was slogging, taking care of the children, going to work and looking after him. He's just enjoying his laziness, being in the hospital for no sickness. St. Paul condemns that type of laziness. In fact, in Jesus' return as judge, He requires a vibrant missionary zeal to transform and change our present world in preparation for His coming. Hence, may the past and the future revolve around the present. We pray for that grace to live a just, fulfilled, joyful life of a person, humble, generous, compassionate, forgiving, and working sincerely to take care of himself, take care of his family, and take care of our Mother Earth.